folks, it's me again. This week's weekly What's New. This week's weekly What's New is going to be about as boring as last week. What's new this week in my garage? Nothing. I haven't been in about a week. I haven't been in the garage in almost a week. So, just been doing other stuff with the kids. Luckily, I got lots of videos already preloaded. What am I going to be doing? Obviously, I got a lot of shit to do. I have to finish that kitchen bench because I want it out of here. I got in finally a Kurt vise, like one of the ones I got. First one got lost, second one showed up in the mail. And that I'm either gonna maybe clean it up and paint it. I don't know. It's pretty frothy. But I mean, I don't care. Apparently it's in mint condition. It's just got a little bit of patina on it. And when I mean a little, it's like very little, I honestly think it's mostly oil stained than it is rusty. It's just dirt. Works good. The jaws need 2 screws, but I'm probably going to mount it to my vise because I want to get I don't know what I did with them, but I might use like one of these things, piece of bar. I know I got 2 pieces of brass somewhere. I put them over there. I might make the jaws for the mini Atoll vise that I think I got. Is it Atoll or I don't know. I might make a video making the jaws for that. I'll finish that little build, make brass jaws. I also want to make some aluminum jaws for the, see if I can get the, what is it? The Wilton vise that I've been trying to fix for ages. So I might mount it up, square it off, and do a couple of test cuts and see if they're perfectly straight. I'm going to start using it because the other vise is just mounted the wrong way, and it's beyond my machinist abilities. Like, I can do basic machining, but I'm not a professional machinist, and it's easier to align the other one than the one I have, which is just easier. Long story. What else? I'm gonna make another video after this, but there's not much really. I have this week garbage is gonna go out. I have lots of plywood for probably the most extremely well-packed box I've had in a long time. I only have 2 boxes packed in a wooden crate in my entire life, maybe a couple more. But this one is at the top when it comes to not getting destroyed. I'll admit to the man who sold me, that is one well-packed box. If the post office would have smashed that, I don't know, I had to drop it off a building. Because I literally had to beat the shit out of it to get it out of the box. Other than the other, what was that? Sheet metal roll that I got that was packed in a box that was screwed together, and my Lincoln, when I bought it, like, I don't know, 20 years ago, it came in a big wooden box, but it was a big crate. So, yeah. Well, that garbage got to go out in here, a couple things. I got to start moving it out of the way, in front of my garage door, because I would like to take my car out for a ride, and get that done. And that's pretty much it for this week. Not a whole hell of a lot. I know I just wasted almost 4 minutes telling you this, but it's 4 minutes that you wasted watching your life. But no, I got a lot of things to do. It's just, summertime, doing stuff, going hang out with the kids, barbecuing, work, blah, blah, blah. Gotta go camping, so might not be a lot of videos this summer, because I'll be at the campground all summer. So I'll probably throw in a couple of months worth of camping videos, which will probably show up in, December at this rate. There are videos already logged up on here, or scheduled all the way up to mid-August. There's also a whole slew of videos that have been scheduled for Tool Time Tuesday. So every Tuesday I have videos up almost to December already set for random new tools that I got. This way I'm going to bombard you with all tool videos. Every time I get some new tools, I'll make a short little video. And in between, as I do at work with other stuff, I'll throw in a couple of, the other actual work videos of me doing work, not just tool reviews. So it's a mix and match of stuff. So, and again, thank you to the 395th subscriber. You're the bomb. I don't know who you are. It doesn't tell me. But hey, Facebook analytics says 395 subscribers. So, woohoo, almost at 400. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Help the poor man get to 500 subscribers. Then you can help me get to 500, 600, and 700 and the whole 9 yards. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe.